In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the screener in Tradingview and apply it to your watchlist stocks so you can filter opportunities faster. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, look at the top menu and click on Products. From the drop-down, scroll down and select Screeners. This will open the screener panel with a large list of stocks or assets. Next, choose the correct screener type like stock screener if you're working with stocks. Once inside, you'll see many columns and filters. Now, start applying filters based on your strategy. For example, you can filter by price, volume, percentage change, or technical indicators. As you adjust these filters, the list will automatically update to show matching stocks. Now here's how to connect this with your watch list. Look at the results and select the stocks you want. You can hold Ctrl or Shift to select multiple symbols. Then right-click on the selected stocks and choose Add to Watchlist. You can either create a new watchlist or add them to an existing one. Now your filtered screener results are saved directly into your watchlist. This makes it much easier to track only the stocks that meet your criteria. You can repeat this process anytime to refresh your watchlist with new opportunities. That's it. You've successfully applied Tradingview screener results to your watchlist. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.